Welcome to day 86. I'm going to start today with the following quote: a game is always won in the mind first. With that said, the workout today is going to be typewriter push ups. Before you do this typewriter push ups, make sure you know how to do regular push ups, and the description is below. So, start in a push up position, make sure your abs are contracted, and then go down as you are going for a push up, but bring your left hand to the side and bend your right hand, and then shift your weight again. That's one rep. So just keep rocking back and forth. Typewriter push-ups work your chest and elbow. This is a prerequisite for doing one-hand push-ups. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share, and stay tuned for day 87.